Dear listeners, welcome to Bacon English Tutorial. Today, I want to discuss about a very important topic on self-presentation, that is self-introduction. Here, I have prepared the most common and most important questions with answers, both for the students and the job seekers, and especially for those who want to approach themselves smartly and confidently for interviews. First of all, you have to greet in this way, saying Assalamu alaikum or good morning everyone. You may greet saying good afternoon, good evening, but never greet saying good night. Good night হচ্ছে রাত্রিকালীন বিদায়, সম্ভাষণ নয়. Secondly, you have to express thankful speech. To speak frankly, I am very delighted to have the chance to introduce myself. Or you may express in this way, saying, well, I am grateful to you for giving me this opportunity to express or to talk about myself. Thirdly, you have to begin introducing yourself, telling your name. My name is Rebecca Yasmin or Robin Bari. I have fabricated here two names. You have to write your own names, that is full name. I am 22 years old. I come from Nator, that is, my home district is Nator. I am a student of MSc in Nursing Science, studying at the University of Dhaka. I belong to a large family. I am the eldest of 5 siblings. Sibling means members of the same parents. অর্থাৎ সহোদর ভাই বোনকে siblings বলা হয়. My father is a teacher. My mother is a housewife. I want to be a good human. It's your aim in life. I always cherish positive and proactive attitude. I like to do hard work and to maintain punctuality. It is your strength, but you never say, I'm a hardworking, punctual and confident person. My career goal is to obtain Ph.D. in nursing science. It is your short-term goal. My hobby is nature photography, but you say in this way, I am very keen on nature photography. I am also enjoy watching documentary films. Sometimes I do clinical practice and write medical articles so that I can improve my professional efficiency. My philosophy is very simple. After completion of my master's, I want to serve the people of the country. And I also wish to establish a charitable hospital. It is your dream and aspiration and ambition. So now I am preparing myself to snatch away the best success in life. Lastly, you have to say in this way, that's all about me for the time being. Finally, you will greet once again, saying thanks a lot for your patience hearing. Here's self-introduction through conversation. In Bangla, we say কথোপকথনের মাধ্যমে আত্মপরিচয়. Another way, we may say self-introduction through a dialogue or self-introduction through peer discussion. Firstly, greetings. I have already discussed about greetings. Here you will be known the times of weddings and manners. And then asking questions, your name, and the location, that may be current address and permanent address. And then occupation and designation. Question 4, what do you do? I am a student. It is not occupation. It is a student's activity. Question 5, what's your occupation or profession? I am a nurse. I am a doctor. I am an engineer. It is an occupation. In Bangla we say occupation means pesha or the act of living. Question 6, would you please tell me about designation? Designation, it indicates title description or specialty. In Bangla we say designation means পদমর্যাদা বা বিশেষত্ব. I am a junior staff nurse. I am an assistant professor. It's a designation. And then faculty or department. Question 7, in which discipline do you study? In which discipline are you studying now? Here, discipline we say জ্ঞানের শাখা বা পাঠ্য বিষয়. আপনি কোন বিষয়ে অধ্যয়ন করছেন? And the location, that may be study or workplace. And then qualifications, that is previous qualifications and present qualifications. And then your strengths. What are the main sources of your strengths in building career? And then hobby. And then your interests and skills. And ambition and goals. What is your short-term goal? Question 17, what's your long-term goal? Question 18, what's your ambition? And then aim and motto. And your family and position. And next, your favorite personality. Question 23, who is your favorite personality? Okay, thank you so much.